The alarming COVID spike is once again putting a major strain on hospitals. Many nationwide are simply running out of room. 13 W's Andrew Baines picks up this part of our coverage tonight. Andrew?
Yeah, Don, to give you an idea, the number of COVID-19 patients here at Rochester Regional Health has more than doubled since Halloween. That is the sharpest increase since the spring. ICU nurse Kathryn Avery remembers it all too well.
It was definitely frightening for a lot of us.
When COVID-19 patients flooded hospital rooms at Rochester Regional in the spring, she was one of the workers on the front lines treating them.
And as more data came out and we started having protocols in place and we had more and more of these patients, we were able to kind of understand how to protect ourselves, protect the patients that obviously already had the virus, and protect the patients that didn't have the virus.
Now numbers are on the rise again, and both healthcare systems are preparing in case hospital capacity fills up like it did in March and April.
One lesson learned is the degree of coordination that's needed. We have to coordinate at a whole health system level, like, and a community level.
Doctors at both Rochester Regional and URMC agree there were lessons learned in the spring that will help now, even as hospital capacity fills up.
We've learned that how to better take care of COVID patients. It's clear that we don't have to intubate or put on ventilation as many patients as we thought we had to. And there's newer therapies like steroids and high flow oxygen that we're using with more frequency to help avoid patients getting seriously ill.
Avery says the second wave will be a challenge, but she's ready for it.
It's a scary time, but I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. The front lines is what I know.
And Don, I'm told if overcapacity does become an issue at our local hospitals, there are other options, just like in the spring, that are being explored right now. That includes using a tent system to house patients outside if necessary, or finding locations like the Convention Center in downtown Rochester to help as well. Reporting live in Rochester, Andrew Baines, 13 WAM News.